Hey everyone, Sean with MarineMax Palm Beach here, and today we're going to be walking through an Aviara 36. So first off the bat, you're going to notice this Aviara 36 is paired with twin 400 V10. Great power package on this Aviara 36. And then moving forward, we're going to have the lounge seats back here that, as you can see, can go down all the way. You bring this seat out, and then you have a nice lounger. If you're at the sandbar and you want to maximize your space and have more people in the back, this converts into a 3-person seating, and then bring the bar stools up. Next thing you know, it's a 6-person. Moving forward, we have our fender storage right here for dedicated 4 7-inch fenders right here. Really nice touch with Aviara. So moving forward in the cockpit, I like to call this boat a living room on the water, because truly when you're out there, you're not missing a thing. We have a barbecue grill right here, storage for all your utensils and whatnot. You got your sink, and then dedicated wine or champagne holders right there that you can put on ice. Dual fridges to keep all your drinks cool, and they do have freezers. Right over here you can get a cockpit table, and then underneath all these seating you have really deep storage as well. So you got deep storage over here, over there, and then that's where your table storage is as well. This one you can get an integrated cooler that fits right in here, easy access, and then you also have a cooler right over here. Moving forward to the helm, obviously with all these new engines, we do have the joystick, so it doesn't matter what experience level you are, it's very easy to drive a boat of this size. 2 SIM-RADs, one dedicated for your engine information, but if you want it, you can switch it over to a map as well. A giant 12-incher, and then this is what I call the brain of the operations. You can control the whole boat from this screen right here. You can change the colors of your lights. Let's say we wanted the hardtop to be red. Next thing you know, the hardtop colors are red. If you want it to be blue, purple, whatever color you want. Coming down here, we have a nice little cabin area. This boat is equipped with a generator and AC, so it can be a nice, when you have little ones that they want to come out of the sun, just come in here, sit down. It can also become a lounger right here. You bring this seat up, next thing you know, you're relaxing here. We do have a TV in here, microwave, and a sound bar. Obviously, we still have a head right over here. It's a wet head with a little sink in there. On the port side, you can see we have a nice observer seat that when you're underway, the wife or your son can be looking where you're driving at, and when we're at the sandbar, move this over, you get more seating in the cockpit. Now moving towards the bow, you do have your block off door, so when it does occasionally get chilly here in Florida, you close this windshield up, close this bow door, it blocks the wind from going down in the back. So very high gunnels, very safe for the children up at the bow, so you don't have a concern of people falling overboard. As you can see, I'm 6'1", I'm sitting comfortably here, and it's all the way up to my chest area. Very nice speaker combination here as well on Aviaras. They have Klipsch audio system, crisp and clear, very nice sound system. And then right here there's a bow cushion as well that comes in here, becomes a nice sun lounger. Obviously with Aviara, true to every single one, they have double-edged finishes, so it doesn't matter where you look at the boat, it's always going to be finished fiberglass. We have our windlass control here with a dedicated washdown and windlass remote. You can control it up here or at the dash. So come on out, come check us out here at MarineMax Palm Beach Gardens, and let's get you out on the water.